These are caveat frames, and I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. So first thing you're going to do is make sure that the frames are laying upside down on a flat surface. And you're going to unscrew or loosen that screw, which is between the earpiece and the frontal part of the frame. So you take your Phillips head screwdriver and you ever so slightly put it into the screw and just loosen up the screw. You don't want to unscrew it completely. You just want to loosen it up. The lens should very easily just pop out. Now to reinsert the lens, you're going to want to line up all of the edges inside the frame. The frame has grooves, particularly for this. So you just want to line it up and pop in what's ever left. And then all you have to do is tighten up the screw. Just insert, press, and twist to the right. And that should be it.